Everyone, so today actually I've started this vlog pretty much late. It's around I think 7 p.m. We came here to catch sunset at Signal Hill and we're having some wine. It's Sauvignon Blanc wine. It's called Groot Post. The sunset, it's just starting. Signal Hill is such a nice place to come and catch sunset here in Cape Town. It's one of the recommended places. I don't know any other place, but of course there are many because there are Table Mountains. So we decided to come to Signal Hill. Like you can come here with your friends or family and have some barbecue, have some good time, party, and yeah, we've also seen someone being proposed to. She was proposed to in the bush. It was so romantic and so nice. So these are the glasses we got from Groot Constantia. Once you go there for the wine tasting, you can decide to go with a glass. You walk so fast, you drink so fast,
Eat so fast.
you eat so fast.
I know two things where you're fast.
What?
You are fast in falling asleep, and dreaming. Sometimes. Fully, I need to say. Hello guys, I'm in the video now. Hello guys. How much do we have?
We have more. So this is after the sunset. There was a big traffic here, but right now it's gone. So yeah, it's just the best time to order an Uber.
10 minutes. 11 minutes.
11 minutes. Maybe it's down.
Later.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. It's the second last day of 2020 and today, guess what? I'm about to get tired because we're going for a hike at Lion's Head. It's just the topmost part where you get epic views of Cape Town. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Who goes to hike at 2:11 p.m? Me! I'm just carrying my pouch. This pouch from Qatar Airways. And some water. We're here at the Lion's Hill Trail. We are just beginning to walk our way up the hill. And these are the views. Yeah, so this is where we were when we were going to Signal Hill. This road up there, you go to Signal Hill. But today we are going to Lion's Head. And that's the way to Signal Hill. And ooh, that's Cape Town. It's so beautiful. Halfway gone, I don't know, but I just think that we are halfway gone. I can't climb a mountain with my mask on. It feels so uncomfortable. The breeze is so cool. And one thing I've noticed about Cape Town is that you see, like in Mombasa, where it's near the ocean, you expect the weather to be hot and humid. Here it's the opposite. Here you have wind, cold wind. Yes. So let's continue with the journey. We still have a long way to go. Not really a long way, but still a distance. Actually, there are people up there, you can't see them, and this is the terrain. This is so terrifying. Have a look at where I am. Oh my gosh, I am falling down. Oh, where we are going, and this is where we are coming from, and the views are so epic. Finally we're here. I'm up the Lion's Head. It was such a scary route to pass. If you're afraid of heights, this is not the thing for you, like for real. I've never climbed such a high place before. God, this place is so high. I don't even know how we'll go down, but anyway, there are a lot of people around, as you guys can see. And I feel so hungry. I think it's because of climbing. Look at this. It looks like a squirrel.
Don't go too near.
Hello. Hello. Finally, I'm done with the hike. If you fear heights, then this is not the thing for you. I swear I'll never repeat something like this again. It was my first and my last time to do this. I'm never doing this again. No. So, if you want to try it, you can just come and try it. It's for free. You just come up this place. Hi guys, so I didn't give you a room tour and it's time to check out. I left you guys yesterday after the hike. I was so tired. It's on 31st of 2020. It's time to welcome another year tonight. But there's no partying, there's no alcohol, there's no going out. Anyway, I just want to give you a quick room tour of this place where we've been staying. So right now it's a bit messy. I'll just show you the overall how it's been, but forgive the messiness because just from packing and everything is everywhere. Therefore, this is how the room looks like. We are already here at this next hotel. It's the Marriott Crystal Towers. This is the best hotel of them all in South Africa that I've been to. So this is the entrance right here. On your right you have the washroom and it has a small mirror and boom boom. On the left so down here we don't have much. There's the fridge here It doesn't have any drinks. And the beverages. Here we have the safe and just plain spaces. Moving on, here we have a place to keep your bag and such a big wide mirror. This is my favorite place. Have a look at it, guys. You have this cute place for placing the towels. It has a nice LED lighting. There's a sink and of course some lotion, conditioners, all those good stuff. Ba-ba-boom. Onto this other side is the from this bathtub you can have a view of the Table Mountains. Anyways, moving to the next place. The final place is this area. So there's this working area with a couple of sockets and you have this very big huge windows. I like this. And guess what, like the bed faces the side of the window, which is pretty amazing. Good morning, everyone. So I think this is the 4th day ever since we checked in. I've not been filming because it will just be repetitive. We are not visiting places. I think we have visited enough sightseeing places in South Africa, and right now we're just trying to keep it safe because we will take the coronavirus test. Currently we are having this very nice breakfast before we go to swim because the plan for today is just hang out in the pool and enjoy the last day that I have in South Africa. Hi guys, so today is the last day and they decided to come to the swimming pool. Imagine all the other days they didn't come to the pool, so today is the last day, the time I'm coming to the pool. Tomorrow is my flight back to Nairobi. Oh, it's so sunny today, it's so hot. And this is my pool. Today I really like this bikini. Red bikini is just so amazing. Oh, the sun is so bright, like my future. Yeah, and you can imagine it's at 3, close to 4 p.m. now. This is my last dinner in South Africa, so the plan this evening is just to catch my last sunset in the bathtub. morning, everyone. So right now it's time for leaving. I really enjoyed my stay in this hotel, and right now we're heading to the airport. I need to go there early enough. As you guys can see, this time many people are traveling back to their countries, and yeah, I almost missed my flight. I'm being left by the plane, guys. Guys, I made it. This flight was full, but I have 3 chairs to myself. I'm normally so lucky. The flight is so full. I can't even believe like I have these 3 chairs empty. I don't think anyone else is boarding right now. The flight was delayed. Finally, I've arrived in Kenya. I'm so tired. I want to go and sleep. It's around close to 2 a.m. So I'll go and sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed all these vlogs, and see you in my next vlog. Bye. Oh, so tired.